In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project intake in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use intake board that captures new project requests in a consistent, trackable way. Start from your Monday.com home. This is your central hub and the quickest place to launch into creating a new board. From here, head to Workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want the intake board to live so the right team has access. If you work with multiple departments, pick a shared workspace everyone can see. If your process is internal, a focused workspace works great. Next, click the plus sign to create something new. This opens the creation menu. Hover over board to reveal your options. Boards are where your process lives, so that's exactly what we want. Instead of building from scratch, click. Start with template. Templates save time and already include helpful columns and structure. In the template center, go to all templates to view the full library. This brings everything into one place so you don't miss a relevant option. From there, browse the general templates category. It's a good starting point for common workflows and will include project-focused options that are easy to adapt. Use the search bar and type project. This filters the library so you can quickly find project intake or project request templates. Now, choose the project template that best matches how you want to receive and triage requests. Open it, review the description and the preview to confirm it includes the fields you need, things like requester, priority, due date, and status. When it looks right, click Use Template. Confirm the workspace and visibility settings as needed, and give your new board a clear name so teammates recognize it immediately. Once your board is created, make your edits right on the board. Tailor the columns to match your intake requirements. Rename fields to your team's terminology, add columns for details you always collect, remove anything you don't need, and reorder columns so the most important fields appear first. Update status labels to reflect your actual review stages, and set default owners or groups if certain requests always go to the same team. You can also adjust views, like switching to a condensed table for triage or adding a date-focused view for deadlines, so it's easy to scan and prioritize incoming work. As you refine, add clear group names for different request categories or phases, and create example items to test the flow. All changes save automatically, so you can iterate quickly and publish when you're confident the setup fits your process. That's it. Your project intake board is ready to capture requests consistently and route them to the right people without missed details.